Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MetaMask, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to open MetaMask and click on exchange logo just down below on screen, where you can see receive option. Just click on it, and now you'll be able to see address which you need to copy. After that, open the Binance app and click on wallets, where you can see spot section on in the screen, and just down below you can see withdraw option, where you need to click there. Now let's search for coin. Let's say I want to send USDT, so let's type USDT in search bar, click on USDT. Now in here you can see two options where you need to choose send via crypto network. After that, you'll be redirected to send USDT page. Now Binance is asking us to enter the wallet address, so let's paste the address that we copied from MetaMask. Now you need to select network, where you can see lots of networks. Just click on BNB Smart Chain, and after that enter the amount. Let's say I want to transfer 100 USDT, and finally click on withdraw, and you'll be able to see balance in MetaMask. So basically this is how you can transfer USDT from Binance to MetaMask. And if you still encounter any issue during the transferring process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.